Creating digital work instructions is a time-consuming task and a daunting challenge on a large scale. Designed in a vendor-specific tool, digital work instructions are also platform-dependent. Flanders Make has created a generic tool that simplifies the whole process. It collects information from existing procedures, instructions or checklists, and from file common formats including PowerPoint, Word, and Excel, and converts them to a single or multiple commercial or in-house digital work instructions platforms. It reduces startup time and creates digital work instructions up to 90% faster. By generating digital work instructions in a uniform format based on the ISA 95 standard, it also simplifies the interchange between platforms. Try it for yourself in our Make Lab. Select different input documents for the same assembly procedure, choose an output format to show the instructions, then start the conversion. In just 1 minute, you'll transform your approach to digital work instructions.